Hey friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic. How to get a beautiful sleep in 2 minutes. Now, this is one question, sent by so many people that they are not able to get sound sleep, they are not able to sleep at all. Now, this technique, what I am going to explain here, it is used by the American soldiers and it is a well proven technique. Now you have to practice this technique minimum 4 weeks to 6 weeks to get it implemented in your life, and also certain conditions that you have to apply when you are practicing these techniques. This is very simple, and when you practice you are going to get a beautiful sleep. Now before telling about this technique, let me just tell you. See, sleep is as important as eating and any other things that we do in our life. Because sleeping is a time we give our body and mind rest to regenerate, to become a better version of ourselves. Now, one important thing that you have to note before you sleep is that most of the people before they sleep they think about all the problems, stresses and everything in their mind. That is one reason that you don't get sleep. And even if you get sleep in this mindset, what happens is, see, 20 minutes before you sleep it is very important to start thinking something really beautiful and positive in your life, because when you sleep only your subconscious mind is working and your conscious mind is totally sleeping, but subconscious mind is still working. That is how you breathe or you see dreams and everything is happening. So what you feed to your subconscious mind is going to manifest or feel that is going to be a reality. So, if you think about the problems you have in your life, or the bills you have to pay, or the difficulties you're facing, or no one is loving you, this is what you're going to feed your subconscious mind when it is going to sleep. And your subconscious mind is going to work on it and manifest those things. And when you wake up in morning, you again feel sad and depressed. So, 20 minutes before you sleep and 20 minutes when you wake up, you have to think the most beautiful thoughts in your life, because those things will manifest in your life sooner. Now, let me just tell you this technique what we have to do. See, when your body is completely relaxed, when your mind is completely relaxed, you don't need any technique to sleep. Just understand this. Now, this technique, what I am going to tell you, is going to help you to actually relax your body. So, the people who are practicing meditation will know how to relax their body without any technique. But if you're not practicing meditation and you're a person who is working a lot, just practice these techniques. The first thing is, we have to relax our head, face and all this side of our body, which is brain and all this part. So how to relax is, just stress your forehead and your eyes and everything and hold it like this tight for 10 seconds. Just stress like this and just leave. When you do 2 3 times, your body will start relaxing. This part of your forehead will start really relaxing and the blood circulation becomes really proper. And the same way you have to relax your hands. Now when you're sleeping, just lie down in the proper straight position and keep your hands open and relax. Now if you're not able to feel that relaxation, just keep make your hand very tight and loosen it, very tight and loosen it. Do this for 5 times. The same way, give your legs also a tight, your thighs and your legs the whole tight and loosen it. In this way your whole body is relaxing. Now this will actually increase the blood flow and help your body to be very relaxed and sleep faster. The same way, do not use phone half an hour at least before you are sleeping. Keep your gadgets, mobile phones, laptops away at least half an hour before you're sleeping. And as I said, do not think about all the negative thoughts. Okay. Now, one another way is, visualize a beautiful sky, with stars and moon and everything. Because when you see that, you have a feeling to sleep. Our mindset actually give a feeling it's night and it is sleeping. So that will actually help you to see something very beautiful. Night feeling will actually make you to or help you to sleep faster. Now, do not use coffee or tea at least after 6 p.m. in a day, because when you drink tea or coffee at least 3 hours, you will not feel sleepy. So, do not have tea or coffee at least after 6 p.m. in a day. If you practice these techniques 4 to 6 weeks, you will definitely be able to sleep within 2 minutes and your body will be very relaxed. Now, once this forms as a habit, you will automatically get the sleep when you just close your eyes. I do not have a problem of sleeping because I know how to relax my mind. I have been working in this techniques, but I do remember there was a time when I was stressed out, when I was to think about exams, I was not able to sleep. And also make sure that what you visualize before you're sleeping at least 20 minutes, always give good messages to your brain, to your subconscious mind, like just think about the things you want to be grateful in your life, things you're going to manifest in your life. So that will actually help you to have a sound and beautiful sleep that will actually give you energy to look forward to life with lot of happiness and positivity. Some days you would have noticed that when you wake up in the morning, you feel very stressed because you had thought about something very stressful at night and your subconscious mind was working on it, and the morning you are waking up in this energy. Now, if you have at least 5 to 6 hours of sound sleep, you are going to have a beautiful and powerful day. Seven hours is the best time you have to, at least 7 hours is the best time. But it is told that researchers are saying that at least 6 to 5 hours, if you have sound sleep, your body is having, and you have at least 2 hours of rest, your body can work very nicely. So I hope you practice these techniques and I find a beautiful result. Do comment about what is the result you got in your life, and consistently at least practice for 21 days, because 21 days is the minimum time you take to form a habit in your life. Thank you so much and have a beautiful life.